In this video, I'll be going over notifying integrating systems on load assignment. As soon as a load gets assigned to a carrier, DL Freight will notify the integrating system using the specified callback URL. To help demonstrate this, I'll be using a tool called ngrok, which is a server application that can read out what callbacks get sent to it. So here I'll run ngrok, and here we can see the callback URL that I'll be using. So I'll go into the register callback URL. I'll call this ngrok. And I'll set this callback URL to the one that ngrok gave me, and I'll update this. There's also a web interface that I'll be using to help demonstrate. So we can see that there are no requests to display yet. Now I'll pause right here for just a moment, and I will send a request out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to send this particular workflow instance to the sample carrier. And now that this is done, ngrok will update and tell me that this particular asset has been sent. So this is the workflow instance ID that corresponds to this particular tag ID. It'll show me for what workflow ID this is, as well as the load ID. Once you receive this request, your system can be configured to automatically respond to it.